Service in San Angelo has issued a warning for northwestern Tolman County in west central Texas, northeastern Runnels County in west central Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tampa, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tampa and Valera around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Glen Cove around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Novice and Silver Valley around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Orts Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Not a doubleheader.
Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm.
We got a doubleheader.
Central Jones County in west central Texas, southern Fisher County in west central Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
First doubleheader of the year.
The thunderstorm was located over Longwood, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
Oh my God, it's a doubleheader. Two doubleheaders.
Radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sylvester around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. McCowley around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include Busby, Capitola, and Gannon. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Severe thunderstorm watch number 189 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
Well, that's very interesting.